Welcome back. In this video, I wanted to talk to you about how you can build a career in IoT. All the jobs in IoT deal with the following 4 layers of the IoT technology stack. The first layer of IoT consists of sensor-connected IoT devices. These are small, memory-constrained, most often battery-operated IoT devices which have onboard sensors and actuators. These could either be standalone devices like fitness trackers, or these could be embedded inside a bigger machinery for sensing and control. So smart wearables, moisture sensors deployed in agricultural fields, glucose monitoring sensors in the field of healthcare are all common examples of IoT devices. There are thousands of small and established companies working round the clock to come up with newer and more interesting IoT devices. The second layer of IoT consists of IoT gateways and networks. All these sensors deployed in the field are connected to the internet via a more powerful computing device known as the IoT gateway. So just like at home you use a Wi-Fi router to connect many phones, tablets and computers to the internet, an IoT gateway aggregates data from many different sensors in the field and relays it to the internet. A lot of big tech companies are working in this field to build more intelligence into IoT gateways. The third layer of IoT is that of cloud computing. All this sensor data recorded by IoT devices and relayed to the internet by IoT gateways needs to be stored in cloud-hosted servers. These servers record this data, store it in a safe and reliable fashion in databases, and then make it available for analysis and decision-making later on. Almost all cloud computing companies are coming up with specialized platforms and services for IoT. And this layer is always hungry for skilled professionals in IoT and the cloud. And the final layer in IoT is that of IoT analytics. And I must also say that this is the most valuable layer because it brings in the greatest value in an IoT application. This is the layer where all the raw data is converted into actionable business insights for improving business operations or enabling new use cases like predictive maintenance. This is also the layer which uses machine learning algorithms for predictive analytics. This layer is always hungry for professionals who are proficient in IoT, the cloud, and analytics. With this in mind, I suggest you explore some of the courses we have at Jigsaw Academy and how they can help you get started with an IoT career. In my next video, I will help you decide if Jigsaw Academy is the right place to start your IoT career.